Ever felt like navigating through the labyrinth of Facebook marketing feels more like a wild goose chase than a strategic business move? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of Facebook marketing, one step at a time. Imagine having a tool that allows you to reach millions of potential customers, tailor your audience, and engage with them in real time. That is the power of Facebook marketing. But how do you harness this power? First off, it all starts with setting up a Facebook business page. This acts as your business's virtual storefront. Make sure to fill out all the necessary information: your business name, contact details, and a brief description of what you do. Add a profile picture and cover photo that represent your brand well. Next, define your target audience. Facebook's detailed targeting feature can be your best friend here. You can specify your audience based on their age, location, interests, and even their online behavior. The key is to think about who your ideal customer is and aim your marketing efforts at them. Once you have your audience defined, it's time to start creating engaging content. Remember, people love a good story. Use your posts to tell the story of your business, your products, or even your customers. Make sure to use a variety of content types: photos, videos, and text, to keep your audience engaged and interested. But it's not just about posting content, it's also about engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your brand. This not only builds trust with your audience, but also increases your visibility on Facebook. One of the most powerful tools in your Facebook marketing arsenal is Facebook ads. With a small budget, you can reach a wider audience, increase your page likes, and drive traffic to your website. Remember to use the detailed targeting feature to ensure your ads are reaching the right people. Finally, keep track of your progress. Facebook provides a wealth of analytics data through the Insights tab. Use this data to understand what's working, what's not, and how you can improve your marketing efforts. In essence, successful Facebook marketing boils down to these steps: setting up a solid Facebook business page, defining your target audience, creating engaging content, interacting with your audience, utilizing Facebook ads, and keeping track of your progress through Facebook Insights. Remember, the world of Facebook marketing is not a static one. It's a landscape that constantly evolves and changes. So stay flexible, keep learning, and never stop experimenting. With these steps, you're not just marketing on Facebook, you're building a dynamic and engaging community around your business. Happy marketing!